Hey! In front of me is Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by exiting Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Then click on those three dots, so there are lines at the bottom right corner, and from here select Settings. Over here select I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. Now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!